So we last saw that the 10 are up to no good, including Satoshi, who is, of course, one of Soma's friends, so we gotta wonder. I still don't know who that other guy was. He was part of the 10 as well, I guess, but I'm not sure. All we know is that this is probably a filler episode, but maybe it has something to do with the rest of the series. Not entirely sure. Soma is, of course, getting fawned over by two girls who are really into him, and he hasn't noticed. Yeah, of course not. So much fan service in this show, but he's just not into it. Please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Click the notification bell, and let's get started. Monsoya chicken. Okay, you're taking the gimmick a little too far. Yeah, so they met this bitch. I don't know. I mean, I guess, but I don't know. Yeah, you guys can have things ready for takeout, okay. Uh-huh. Maybe shorten that a bit. You're overestimating yourself there, man, but okay, sure. She's really annoying. So yeah, they're getting consulted by the 10. The 10 don't exactly own this area, but they are being consulted. Okay. Okay. I don't know about that. Milk cartons? What? This reminds me of Potato Corner, where you just like have a bunch of fries you can just take wherever. Here we go. Okay, no tentacles. Oh, she doesn't want to say that. Yeah, it's a good idea. I thought that's what you were gonna do, but no. Oh, come on. A kebab is a classic. I love kebabs. She's they're thinking about his room. Oh no, yeah. Ask. That's it! Drew a blank. Oh, for God's sake. You guys don't want to talk about... Oh my god. Yeah, she's a little angry. Well, Soma did... She's still stuck with him constantly. Yep, she figured it out. Oh, shit. Saved by the bell. Hold on, she said it's more popular with the ladies, so she's going to get more ladies to try his food and become attracted to him. That's not a good idea. Oh, her name means meat and Mito, huh? The meat master, so that's why they call her that. Thought it had more to do with like her body caused a man's meat to anyway. Yeah, well, she started off by hating him, but you didn't really sneak in, man. You're more like Soma-chan! Fried chicken onigiri? Oh, he's defeated. It actually is a really good idea. Okay, so they're all working very hard. What did he come up with exactly? So that's what he used to do. Okay, yeah, he is a real jerk, isn't he? A lettuce wrap? Some kind of lettuce wrap. Yeah, lettuce wrap with... Was that pita bread? No. So everyone's eating that now. She didn't bother reading them. Next time, try reading your reports. Calm down. Oh, she's pissed. Oh, yep. So they're all having a great time. Yeah. Yeah, these two are teaming up very well together. Even better than him and Megumi. Lettuce leaves, herbs, pan-fried wrap. So, yeah, it was a good idea. Makes me want to go get some chicken myself. Nah. You laughed in his face, and now he beat you. I'll go to this place called Bonchon. It's a good place with some Korean fried chicken. Love it. Although it makes my trip to the bathroom horrible. How spicy it is. You gotta love it when you use their own words against them. Oh, so now you can have some draft beers with it. Oh wow, so now everyone can capitalize on this. You start with a chicken, you get a drink, you go get some dessert, everything. Oh well, you gotta love it when your words just go in your face. If I go make some buffalo wings, I have a lot of those in my freezer. Try it and find out. She doesn't look that old. Here come the tentacles. On second thought, the wrap. Yeah, she's starting to realize just how genius of an idea it is. But they are still going to make a profit. They're selling it a shit ton of food. Home run. Wow. Okay, she's overreacting in my opinion, but sure. And stop calling her Nikumi! Yeah, the last night you'll spend with him, so... Let's say, Oh, what'd you just say? He did notice her! What? Yeah, I swear, he's not doing this on purpose, is he? No, he knows you. He noticed you. He knew about you. You could have told him something. Yeah, she's very happy. Oh, she's upset. It reminds me of like the guy who used to do Verizon, went to what was it, Sprint? That's kind of like what just happened right there. I mean, y'all ever see the old Verizon commercials that usually have that guy who would, like, say America's largest network, and then he switched over to Sprint, then Sprint and T-Mobile merged, so now he's just T-Mobile? Or did he switch from Verizon to T-Mobile? I mean, same difference, but yeah, I don't know. Still funny, still hilarious. And she's like, "He did notice me. Oh my god, my heart." I gotta wonder if he knows what he's doing. He probably doesn't, but you know, still. All right, so let's see what the 10 have to say about it. Yeah, he's back at the school. Whoa. He can't fight them all. All right, so the 10 want to know what it is he did. Uh-huh. What was your strategy exactly? No, I was gonna ask you to join him. Ah. Well, let's see what happens. Food war, perhaps? Is he number 1? Yeah, I don't think so. The Alchemist. So he's number 9. Etsuya Aizen. Alright, well, he's gone up against Satoshi before, but let's see. Yeah, Food Wars. The chosen one. So they're working together, and he's probably gonna look up her skirt. Anyway, that's about it for this episode. So it's funny because he did notice her, and she never knew that he noticed her. But yeah, she's gonna be working part-time for him. Well, not him. The other guy. What was his name? And they'll be like running the place together. But isn't the quality gonna drop because Soma and Mito aren't there? I assume that's how it would be, but maybe not. I guess he just gave him the right recipe. He helped him practice enough times, and so it'll work. I don't know. I always figured it was more about the chef and less about the recipe, but that's how it is. Still, funny episode. And I guess it wasn't filler. It was a setup for future events where he's going to be going up against, what he said, Aizen or something? That's going to be number 9 of the 10. Yeah. I don't know. I'm sure we'll see. There's, 6 episodes left in the season. Once I'm finished with this season, I'll move on to a couple other shows I've got, including Death Note, Sword Online, Alicization, and a few others. Oh well, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned, everybody.